YouTube, what's going on, fam? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, guys, I will just be doing some dips, some push-ups, some squats. It's basically just hitting about just a little bit of everything, 6 o'clock in the morning. I like to get at least 1 or 2 rest days a week. So tomorrow I'm gonna take off. So today is my last day of working out. We finna absolutely murder this workout, get it in. I might even do some burpees. I got the dip bar right here behind me, just got this thing in. I'm absolutely loving it. You feel me? So I'm excited. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get it in. I'm not gonna worry about the sets and reps that I'm doing in each exercise. We just gonna have fun. We just gonna chase this pump, get a great workout in. Look, guys, this is therapy for me. I love training, I love working out. This is therapy for me. A lot of people, you work out to be in shape. Me having this physique and this body is a byproduct, It's a byproduct of the discipline I was willing to put in, the consistency and the fucking pain, that got me to where I'm at today. So no fucking excuses. I love this shit. This is what I look forward to doing every single day, and I'm definitely in love with the fucking journey. But we're gonna lock in, we're gonna get to it. We're gonna start off with some dips, guys. That's gonna be first. And we're gonna get it in. I'm gonna show you guys the post-workout meal, AKA the first meal of the day. So stay tuned to that. But if you're new to my channel, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe, and comment what other videos you guys wanna see. If you wanna build muscle, lose fat right at home with minimum to no equipment, man, I put together a 90-day plan that you could do right in the comfort of your home. This physique you guys see, I built right at home. I don't go to no gym. I don't. I built this physique right at home. So if you want to build muscle, lose fat, I put together the program. First link in the description. Make sure you guys grab it today and start your transformation. Let's get this workout in. Triceps and squeeze that lower part of the chest. So I'm gonna do 5 reps. I'm gonna do 5 reps of this. Just make sure you guys' form is good, Make sure the form is on point, because if you trying to pump out as much dips as possible, but your form is shitty, you're not really, getting no work in like that. So you guys see, going slow. That stretch, I can really feel that stretch, man, at the bottom. Just like that. Straight up, squeeze up top, flex them triceps, squeeze that lower chest, man. Slow and control. Ooh. Just like that. We'll do 3 more. I can really feel it, man. Jeez. I'm really glad that I got this dip bar. Cause we fit to make hella gains. Like I'm telling you guys, man, if you learn to master the foundation movements, the basics, the push-ups, the dips, the pull-ups, the squats, man, like master your body weight. Master your body weight, you can build a crazy physique. I know a lot of jack guys, swole bodybuilders that can barely do fucking 10 pull-ups, 10 pull-ups, fucking 50 push-ups. You feel me? So master your body weight. Strength is very, very important. The beginning of my fitness journey, it was straight bodybuilding, straight weightlifting. I wasn't doing no calisthenics, no pull-ups, hard push-ups, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I was struggling to do at least 10 reps, 10 reps of push-ups, 10 reps of pull-up. Matter of fact, 5 reps of pull-ups, you know. I was struggling as hell. You learn to master the basics, guys. You can build a crazy physique just like how I did. Make sure you guys keep drinking water. Stay hydrated. All right, fam, so this is today's cheat meal. I try to have at least one cheat meal a week. But as you guys see, I got Panda Express. This is what I got. Got me some fried rice for my carbs, chow mein, orange chicken, and honey sesame chicken breast. Just to tear this up. Look at that. So yeah, man, we earn our cheat meals over here, man. We earn it. Yes, sir. Here are a few things I got from the grocery store, but I got 3 stacks of 97 ground beef. I got bananas. I got 2 cartons of eggs, just some waffles for the morning, some white rice, avocado, some bread, and also my favorite rice cakes before I work out.